What are some tips you want to give to the beginners in Indian stock market?
Well, for the beginners, really, see, investing in the stock market could be a very rewarding experience, and I think a proper approach is required for doing the same. But there are a few key points that one must consider. Firstly, one needs to educate themselves, understanding the basics of the stock market, including key terms like, your stocks, your bonds, your mutual funds. Yes, sab thoda understanding needs to be there. Also, I would say one must start a little small. Invest the amount that you can only afford to lose. Gradually increase this investment as you gain your confidence and experience, because the more and more you get into it, the more you'll know. Also, research thoroughly, analyze the financial health of companies, what the management is, what the business model of that company is, where is it making profits, and how is it making profits, what is the growth potential of the company, say over a period of 3 years. Stay informed about the industry trends and how the economic changes might affect your investments. One thing people do is they use a basic calculator to multiply their profits. You're like, I'll make 1,000 rupees maybe a day, or in 20 days I'll make this much, and then 365 days I'll make this much. Aisa nahi hona chahiye. This is not the way you should treat the way you're making money, because you will never get the same result the way the calculator would show you. Aisa nahi hota hai. There are different things, there are different events that happen that affect the market, so there is no set rule for you to be able to make an X amount of money. Fourthly, I would say try and diversify your portfolio, spread it across different sectors. Avoid putting all your money into one particular stock and sector. Yes, there are times that, like things like the budget or the elections, where certain stocks are given importance, like your defense or things like that. But I think, diversify generally across all your FMCGs, your banking, because everything does well over a period of time, and there are different times that these sectors do well. So over a 1 year horizon, different sectors will perform differently. And to mitigate risk, I think it's eventually good if you can diversify your portfolio and spread it across. Fifth, I think have a long-term perspective, very important. Stay patient. Patient is the key to the stock market. Be very prepared to hold your investments for the long term to be able to maximize your returns. And always, most importantly, seek professional advice, because if you are a beginner, you need to get started in a proper manner. So consider consulting a financial advisor for the personal, or a personal person who is there, who's managing your portfolio. And on the basis of that, I think you should be good.